Hello, today we are going to do some functions in the Excel. Today I will show you how to do or how to do to perform some functions like addition, subtraction and division. We get started with the addition. Let's suppose we want to add these numbers in these cells. I want to put the addition or the total value in this cell. I will start with putting the equal sign and then write sum and then start the small bracket, and then I will select the range of cells, the value of which I want to add, and then put the closing bracket, small bracket, and then I will press the enter button. Here you get the sum of these values. You can see the formula here and the result value here. You can also add these values in this way. Just click on the cell and then put the plus sign, and then the next row, then put plus sign, and then next, and then plus, and then next, and then close the there is no bracket. We are doing it in a simple way. So here the solution we got. Now we want to subtract some values from higher values or from bigger values. I want to subtract 75 from 98 and want to put the result value here in this cell. I will start with putting the equal sign, and then I will select the larger value and then put minus sign and then the smaller value, and then hit enter key. Here you get the subtraction of this value from this value. Now I want to show you how to do division in Excel. I want to divide this value by this value and want to put the results in this cell. I will start with equal sign and then the higher value and then the forward slash and then the smaller value, and then hit enter key. Here you get the division of this value upon this one. So here were some basic functions. We will discuss the other functions or some complicated functions in some other lecture. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.